Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add Presto card to Google Wallet. First, make sure your Android device has the latest version of the Presto app installed. Log in your registered Presto account. Under Get New Card, select Presto in Google Wallet. Read all the Presto information for Google Wallet, then tap Get a New Card. Continue with your new card setup by choosing to load funds or select a pass. Enter the amount and select your preferred payment method. Enter your payment information and choose a nickname for your card. Add your new Presto card to Google Wallet on your phone. Select Google Pay as the payment option. Tap Accept and Continue. Your new Presto card is now set up in Google Wallet. To pay with Presto in Google Wallet, simply wake up your Android phone screen and tap it on any Presto device. And that's it. That's how to add Presto card to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.